Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. You know, in Chinese, every word has so many different meanings, but sometimes in English, it's the same thing too. For instance, recently, I found a word that is just exactly the same in Chinese and in English. 其实中文啊跟英文啊，尤其是中文，很多字啊，它可能会一个字有很多意思，对不对？我最近发现一个字啊，英文跟中文是一模一样，它也会有很多意思，然后又很雷同，就是高这个字。高 very tall。
狗
对狗啊，这个哥哥很高，怎么说？
要跟阿狗懂狗。
对啊，阿狗懂狗。OK， 这个哥哥很高。It means tall in general, right? But it also means high or like high school， 高中，对不对？英文也是叫 high school， 就是用高这个字啊，刚好这样对应。所以我们今天来教跟高有关系的一些生字好了。OK， 像刚刚讲的身高 ，your height。身高 ，OK， that's your height。
海陆腔，身高。
身高听起来有点
干嘛？
没有，我们不要再解释，但是听起来很不一样哈。That's another dialect for your height, all right？ 那讲到高，有说所谓的 high class 啊，我们不是都会这样？你要去那个好 high class 哦，对不对？就是高级啊，对不对？高级怎么说？
高級。
Okay, that's high class. Or, like I said, the term high can be used in high school. And in Chinese, it's 高中, which literally is high school. 那客语也是一样咯，对不对？
高中。
真的吗？高中听起来也很像。And then finally, 高还有一个字，高楼大厦，对不对？High rise 英文也是讲用 high 这个字 ，high rise 高楼大厦。太楼就大楼嘛。太楼 okay, that means high-rise buildings. All right, let's make a sentence out of one of these terms. 我们常常会问说，你的身高有多高？怎么说呢？
你的身高有几高？
有几高就是有多高，对不对？所以你的身高就是你的身高有几高。That means how tall are you? Now you know how to ask that. So let's review all these terms. 身高 your height. 身高 and then high class 高级。高级 and then high school 高中 and finally 高楼大厦也就是 high-rise building 太楼 and there you go all about being very very tall and that does it for today's Practical Hakka
什么Hakka
俺是谁张来了
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.